Previously on Airsoft Elimination.
With the red team suffering their first defeat and losing their first player, Josh, things are starting to even out. Can the blue team make this a winning streak, or will the red come back? Find out now on
Airsoft Elimination.
Let's do this!
Airsoft Elimination.
Welcome to the Carnival Shootout. Stay with your teams. All right, so we're gonna go 3 on 4. Fair's fair, I guess. So one at a time, you will each take that gun, and each team has 5 minutes to shoot at all these targets. They all have point values written on the bottom. You don't know what they are. So as you're shooting, when you get to the empty mag, put it down, tag the next person. You have as much time to reload and shoot in that 5 minutes. Whoever has a higher score, 5 minutes, wins. Easy, so easy. Questions? No questions? All right, let's get to it. Who goes first? Who's gonna go first?
What do you guys?
All right, we're gonna have Blue go first. Right? Ready, hit, go! You gotta knock them off the table to count.
Nope, he doesn't like me.
Tag someone else in. We only got 5 minutes to do it.
Oh my god. You have like half a mag now.
Earl's loading up. Get that full mag.
Like I said, you have half a mag.
Loading it upside down.
I'm not, I'm hitting that. Hey!
If you knock the whole CD case off. Bonus point.
Barno!
It's Georgia. That's a first. Oh, your head.
It's leaking. It's leaking, so I figure I'll take advantage of it anyway.
You wrench it all the way down, it won't leak. Oh my god.
You want to reload, John? Reload? Here. Just crank it down.
You can do it. Load it up. It's flashbacks to dropping the mag. Hope Alex doesn't break the gun. John's to the table. Well, when it goes off, let me know.
If it hits something. CO2 launcher.
Oh man. John's dropped the pieces. Don't see that. Time's up!
That bag's gonna leak.
Do some quick shoots.
I'll go first.
We made the decision.
I tried to go back to the
Ready?
ringer.
Yeah, if there is time, I will.
I hope I knock the sand out of it.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Set, go! Don't cry. Work that down. Check your aim.
Oh, we're not corking anymore. All right. All right. It's not gas.
Right? If it's easy, it would be a challenge. Put it in upside down. It's not working!
And it's on the camera as well.
We'll see.
Oh my God. 5 shots.
Oh, and he made it count. Jake, see if the spring
It's just not chambering.
doesn't cycle. It's not cycling.
That shot. I'll tell you when it's out. Oh my God. Just shoot it. Thank you.
Almost comical.
It is. I did it again, by the way.
It's on camera, so that's fine. Come on, Jake.
Get up here, get up here.
Let's hit some targets. Oh, somebody tag him in, tag him in. That's good job. Oh, here we go. Racket. Nope. It's out.
That was amazing.
The totals are in. Blue has a total of 76 points.
No idea.
And red has a total of 52, which means red is going to have to eliminate somebody. Blue, you guys are safe.
Yay!
All right. Welcome, red. I haven't seen you people in a while.
Yeah.
The red team, featuring Jake. One man down already. Now it's going to be two. Do any of you feel like you were responsible for the loss? Or was it just happenstance?
Kinda.
Why?
I aimed too much at that CD. I could have been.
Everyone seemed to focus on the disc.
That's such a huge target.
Yeah. Well, you chipped it. And that counted. So,
I could have been aiming at all of them.
do any of you feel like you're about to get some votes? Jake's going to get some votes? Jesse? No? Alright, that's
He
it?
didn't participate, so.
So he's out.
Is that his fault?
It is your fault. I don't know I'm voting now.
I will take. Yeah. No dead weight.
Yeah, I'll take blame.
Alright, well, let's get some voting going. I'm going to have Patrick go first. You know the deal. Done it once before. Okay. I will go get the votes and tally them up. I'm gonna have to address this vote first. Who is Fred?
It's Fred.
Who voted for Fred?
Patrick.
Okay, Jake voted for Patrick. Which he thinks his name is Fred.
Fred
If you don't know, well, that shouldn't count.
It's
You
better
heard
than
me
he
say
thinks.
who it was.
Alright, well, Jake got called out again.
He doesn't even look like your friend.
Next, we have Leon.
Okay.
Alright. And we have Patrick. And Patrick with a frowny face.
What?
So, we're going to need Fred and Leon. And we're going to do a challenge right over here. We don't have to go far.
That was surprising.
I'm gonna get shot again.
Let's go!
I didn't.
Thanks.
I thought you would not get any. That's why I did it.
This showdown is called the Golden BB Challenge. This is 2,500 BBs in each can, and there is one yellow BB. You have to find the yellow BB and cross the finish line, which let's say is past that yellow balloon. If you spill any, you have to tag that yellow balloon and come back and keep looking. So if you spill even one, which I just spilled two, you would have to run all the way down there, tag the balloon, and come all the way back. But when you find it, announce that you found it, and run down there and tag that balloon, and you win. First person to do that wins and advances, losers eliminated. Do you guys understand?
Do we have to hold on to the yellow BB while we
Uh-huh. If you drop it, good luck. Okay, is everyone ready? Set. Go!
Got it.
Leon found it.
No.
Oh my god. Oh, why didn't you use it? Why didn't you use it? What? Why didn't you use it now? No, before the vote. Why didn't you use it? No, before the vote.
I figured I could use it any time. It didn't have to matter.
No, it says before the vote. Oh my gosh!
I figured I could use it any time. Come on.
Did you read it? He found it.
What a terrible way to go.
That was a blindside if I've ever seen one. Nobody expected
I
that.
figured I could use it anytime.
You didn't read it.
You know what? Isaac would have did the same thing if we didn't tell him what it said.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can't read though.
Unfortunately, Patrick has been eliminated.
Well, I made a mistake. I didn't shoot that well, and it cost me all the votes. It sucks, but it happens. Though, I had the Save Your Progress disc. I fucked up. I didn't read it. It's my fault. Tried to play it in the head-off challenge, and, well, I screwed up. My bad.
Eliminated!
On the next Airsoft Elimination,
The Noobs continue to lose. Blue, you guys are safe. Alright. And one of their strongest players, Patrick, has been eliminated. Now that the teams are even again, who will win? Find out next time on
Airsoft Elimination!